I'm using the example of the Departures film, Japanese text for the HSC. Now, because I'm watching it in YouTube, I can copy that address. If I open VLC Media Player, and that's something you've probably got installed on your computer already, under the media option, I can open a network stream and paste that YouTube address there. When I click play, it will open that scene and I've got this scene playing in VLC Media Player. I'm going to pause it. Using VLC Media Player, under the Tools option, I can customize this interface. I've got a lot of other tools that I can use here. The tool that I'm looking for is called Snapshot. If I drag Snapshot into here, you can see that beside the play button now, I have Take a Snapshot icon. Down the bottom here, you can see now, beside the play button, I've got the Take a Snapshot icon. So, I'll go back to the beginning of our film. And here it is playing here. Now, if I wanted to take that scene, I just click that button, and you can see it's placed a snapshot in my pictures. I'll just show you where that is. I'll pause this video. In my pictures, there's that snapshot I just took. If I double click that, I can open it. So I'm just going to pop that over there and go back to VLC Media Player and press play and snapshot. And you'll see it just appeared here. I'm going to do it again in a second and it's going to appear here. I'll just fast forward a little bit into the film and take a snapshot. And with those pictures I've just taken a snapshot of, I can use them in other applications to support languages study in the classroom. More about that later. Given that this is a scene from a text that we might be studying, there might be a particular scene that I want the children to refer to a few times while completing an activity. So if I pause the film at this point, going again to my Tools Customize interface, another useful tool is this A to B loop. I'm going to pop that here beside my snapshot tool. There it is there. You can see I've done this before. Disregard those. And so now, when I press play here, you can see that there's a red dot there. Now if I was to press that again, if you watch the time here, you'll see that it's going to go between A and B. That's 26 seconds through to 33 seconds. And it'll just keep replaying that scene. So if there was an activity that the students were engaged in and you wanted them to refer to a scene while they're completing that activity, you could do that A to B loop. If I just click it again now, the video will keep on playing.